Psychological theories of crime. Psychological theories of crime are psychological theories that explain the formation and development of criminal minds and the causes of criminal behavior. I am going to give you a three example and explain it to you for you to understand it more further.
Let's talk about psychoanalysis theory. Psychoanalysis emphasizes motivation and evil human nature and holds that sexual and aggressive instinct are the fundamental causes of crime. This theory explains how human behavior, including crime, is influenced by instinct and motivations. It focuses on the conflict between the three parts of the mind: the id, ego, and superego. The example of psychoanalysis theory is that number one is impulsive behavior. The id is too strong. A person may act on their impulses without regards for their morality or the law. This can lead to violence, theft, or other criminal acts. The next example of psychoanalysis theory is that underdeveloped superego. An underdeveloped or harsh superego may not provide proper moral guidance, making it harder to tell right from wrong.
Cognitive theory. Cognitive psychology holds that cognitive style determines behavior outcome and emphasizes the relationship between cognitive moral development and criminal behavior. I am going to give a two example of cognitive theory. Example number one, misinterpretation of reality. The individual misinterprets the social cues and believes their actions are morally acceptable due to their skewed perception of the situation. Example number two, rationalization. They use mental justification to minimize the severity of their crime, allowing them to rationalize their behavior.
Behavioral theory. Behavioral theory is also known as behaviorism. Behaviorism emphasizes the role of environment in shaping behavior. It regards criminal behavior as a result of learning and therefore gives a lot of attention to the acquisition of bad behavior. Number one example of behavioral theory is that social context matters. The environment and social group significantly influence the likelihood of adopting criminal behavior. This means that when the people face economic hardship, lack educational opportunities, they may feel frustrated and resort to criminal behavior as a way to cope or fulfill their aspirations. This illustrates that how social context can directly influence individual choices regarding crime. Number two example, learning through association. The teenager learns criminal behavior by observing and interacting with friends who already engage in theft. This gives the best example of the differential association theory. It proposes that people learn values, attitudes, techniques, and motives for criminal behavior through their interactions with others. This best influence with the friends and the people that surrounds him or her.